Last week, we received a hurried inquiry from above. Our house at Menangle is starting to crack some more. Can you check it out pronto? The brief was, the house is about 15 years old. It was built by an owner builder. The block has up to 2 meters cut and fill. The engineer's slab design showed numerous piers, but there is no record of excavation or slab sign-off by engineer or certifier. The house has subsided over the last few years, as has neighbouring houses, and this house is now showing more signs of settlement, more noticeably internally rather than externally. The owner wants his settlement to stop and for the house to be rock solid. The first thing we'll need to do is to check out whether the builder concreter actually installed any piers, and if so, to what depth. Okay, let's take a look around here and see what we need to do to shore up this house. We found some 450 diameter piers at some corners, their depth indeterminate. What we do know is they were not functioning as one would reasonably expect, as slab subsidence was occurring. It looked as if the piers and slab were poured on two separate occasions. We found at least one pier with 100 millimeters of clay sitting between the top of the pier and the underside of the slab. Alright, let's take a look and see what we have got done. This is the back of the house where there's been cut. That's the front of the house there where there's been the fill. That's where the problem is demonstrated. Made a bit of a mess there in the mud working in the rain, but we've got 5 piers on that face there. The brickwork now is ready for pointing up. Around the corner, we had to take the downpipe off, and we've got 4 piers installed there to that face. Along this back veranda here, you can see the retaining wall there falling over, so the ground just subsiding on its own accord there. This corner here, we're going to put we did a check there to put a pier in there. There is actually one in there, and it is bearing under the slab, so we chose not to put one there. Around the corner here, there's 2 holes to go. That one there, we had a big gap between the top of the pier and the underside of the slab. So once we get that corrected, the place should be rock solid. So if you need to make your place rock solid, just give us a call at Best Underpinning 0411 2122.